Fáilim Gaeilge. Learn Irish. Ceacht a Trídeag. Lesson 13. Using is. Úsáid is. Is in Irish denotes a state of permanence. Is in Irish tells us what something is, rather than what it is like or what it does. Irish is always used with the objective form of a pronoun. Me, me, who, you, him, her, sin, us, shiv, you, id, them. Is teach a, it is a house. Is ban she is a woman. Is doctor a, he is a doctor. Is far me, I am a man. Is banny who, you are blessed. Is bócail a, it's a boy. Nach cailín deas isn't she a nice girl? Is Stina sin, we are people. Is Lekra shiv, you are heroes. Is Fir Dochin id, they are firemen. Ni Amadon me, I am not a fool. Ni Aspag a, he's not a bishop. Ni fear a, it's not true. On ban Franse e, is she a princess? On Actrani id, are they aliens? On Bal Shiv, are you members? Nach Clister who, aren't you clever? Nach Scavlehur a, isn't he a terrorist? Nach Jas and Rourke a, what a nice view. Nach Buafasach sin, how awful. Nach Grasta id, aren't they fast? Nach Mór on Tamadon who, aren't you a big idiot? Sin Jera, le ceacht a Trídeag. That's the end of lesson 13. Slán go fóill, bye for now. Go dí a ríis, till next time.